Kia ora, Ryan here, Not For You Films. Now, it's been a wee while since a piece of kit has really impressed me, but this new quick release system from Falcam is a whole nother level. Get over how fast and how quick it is to change your setup. I mean, now this is not a paid video, but Falcam did send me out this kit for free to do some tests on and share my thoughts. I have been using the SmallRig cages for being really handy, but what I like about this cage is it's more form-fitting, sleek lines. They've curved off the edges. It's a little bit smaller and a little bit lighter. The options to customize this are endless, and you don't need extra quick releases and grips, and it's all kind of built in already. Everywhere you look, there's a mount, there's a clip. You can change to whatever shooting style you need. It's just fantastic. Well done. Well done, Falcam. Falcam used to be called Ulanzi. They've rebranded. Why, I'm not sure, but this is really well made stuff. I reached out to a friend of mine who's a craftsman. He makes custom bespoke furniture, and let's see what his thoughts are.
Hello everybody, my name is David Winterburn. I'm a furniture maker and furniture restorer. I specialise in Scandinavian mid-century, and what I really do love about this, first and foremost, this is probably some of the better quality equipment that I've seen out there. It's amazing engineered modularity, it's well thought out. It's also slender at the same time, but there's curves everywhere. There's these beautiful, delicate curves and chamfers everywhere, which makes it really, you can see it better on the grey than you can say on a black rig. And I love the wood grain effect, tactile pieces. It looks like Damascus. It looks like an artisan has created these and bonded them with an engineered metal frame. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful to look at, beautiful to touch. So technically simple to use. I want it. I want more of it. Give me more. Beautiful.
Well, thank you, Falcam, for sending this out. You've succeeded in converting me. All I want is more of your kit. Beautiful, well made, stunning to look at kit.